Good morning students. Today we are going to see journal entry part 6. In this part 6 we are going to learn about opening entry. Opening entry is the first entry of any organization when it is to be recorded at the time of commencement of business. Normally a businessman invests capital in the business as capital. It may be in form of cash, but sometime a businessman starts business with some assets, not only cash. In that time we have to record opening entry. Likewise, one more time we have to record opening entry, that is in the beginning of every year. In the beginning of every year we have to record one entry called opening entry. Why we should record this opening entry? Last year closing balance of assets and liability are to be recorded in the subsequent year as opening entry. Let me see the example. Yes. On 1/4/2015, on 1/4/2015, listen carefully. On 1/4/2015, Mr. A started business. Here Mr. A started business. He invested cash, bank, stock, building. So he introduced not only cash, he introduced some assets in the business. In that case, we have to record opening entry. The entry is all assets should be debited. Cash account debtor, what all he introduced in the business should be debited. Cash account debtor, bank account debtor, stock account debtor, buildings account debtor. So here the businessman invested not only cash but also some assets. For this we have to record opening entry. So he brought not only cash, he brought cash, bank, stock, building. All assets he brought, all should be debited. Then that should be transferred to his capital account. That should be transferred to his capital account. The total value 1 lakh, total value 2 lakh. The narration is business commenced. Business commenced. Once again I am repeating. Here Mr. A started business not only with cash, he introduced some assets. So what all he introduced in the business as assets should be debited. So cash account debit, bank account debit, stock account debit, building account debit. So all add together should be transferred to the capital account. Next. Then in one more case we have to record opening entry. I said last year closing balance of assets and liability are to be carry forward to the next year as opening balances. In that case we have to record opening entry. Let me see one more example. On 1/4/2018, the following balances appear in the books. So in his book the following items are shown. What are all he brought? Cash he brought. So cash account debtor, how much he brought? 80,000 cash. Then he brought stock 90,000. Then he brought debtor. So what all he brought? Debtor 1 lakh. Next furniture he brought. Next he brought due from Rajesh. Due from, he owes us. Due from Rajesh account, how much? 20,000. Next creditor. Creditor is a liability, it should be credited. Creditor is a liability payable to outsider, credited. Then due to Kamal. So due to Kamal, amount payable to Kamal, how much? 5,000. Now who started? No one name is given, so we can write remaining as capital. The value of capital, assets minus liabilities. So total value of the asset 170, 270, 170, 2 lakh 70, 3 lakh 3 lakh 320. 3 lakh 20 minus 30,000. Balance 2 lakh 90,000. Narration is business start. Being opening balances. Opening balances. Listen carefully. Once again we'll recap. It is the first entry of the business. It is the first entry of any business. First entry of any business. This entry recorded at the time of commencement of business and in the beginning of every year. In this case, Mr. A started business with cash, bank, stock, building, all are assets. So everything debited, transfer it to his capital account. Here, these are all last year assets and liability balances, closing balances. Now it should be transferred to the capital. See, cash account debited, stock account debited, debtor account debited, furniture account debited, payables credited. So due to creditor, due from Rajesh, then creditor due to Kamal. So add all assets, deduct these two, you will get one value that is called capital. Yes, students, we successfully completed journal entry. Thank you.